Thawing can have a profound effect on the quality of seafood, and having the best quality is important for your seafood department sales as well as the safety and enjoyment of your customers. It is highly recommended to thaw frozen seafood slowly to minimize drip loss, protect flavors, aroma, and texture. Plan your seafood needs carefully to allow sufficient time for correct thawing. Remember that the perfect thaw is always controllable, predictable, and repeatable. Results in the same temperature throughout the seafood products, minimizes drip loss, and is flexible in order to accommodate a diverse array of seafood products. You will need food-safe footed metal wire drain racks and metal sheet pans. Slow thawing, also known as refreshing, requires 24 to 36 hours. Slow thawing frozen seafood is recommended when a walk-in refrigerator is available. The best results are obtained when a product is thawed at 32 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature should never exceed 38 degrees Fahrenheit. If using a shatter pack, first drop the box containing frozen seafood fillets on a solid surface, with enough force to shatter or separate the individual fillets. Set aside the desired quantity of product and place any unused product back in the freezer. Place frozen seafood on a metal wire drain rack and loosely cover with a single layer of plastic wrap. Always ensure plenty of plastic wrap is left at the ends of the sheet pan so it can be folded over to secure. Place in a walk-in refrigerator below 38 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 36 hours. To thaw vacuum-packed fillets, you will also need a wire-footed drain rack placed in a food-safe sheet pan. Once you have the desired quantity of frozen seafood, remove all packaging materials, place frozen fish on the metal wire drain rack, and loosely cover with a single layer of plastic wrap. Store in a walk-in refrigerator at a temperature below 38 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 36 hours. An alternative method is to cut a long slice in the bottom of the packaging to create an aerobic environment and to allow for draining. Place frozen fish on a metal wire drain rack inserted into a food-safe metal sheet pan and allow to thaw in a refrigerator at a temperature below 38 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 36 hours. An alternative method of thawing, while not the recommended method, may be necessary when sales volume dictates a faster turnaround. Quick thaw methods should be approached with caution as improper thawing can seriously damage product quality. You will need to allow 10 to 30 minutes for these methods. Another acceptable method of quick thawing non-vacuum packed IQF, individual quick frozen fillets, is to completely immerse frozen product sealed tightly in a stout plastic bag in very cold running water. Fillets will thaw in about 10 minutes. Remove thawed fillets immediately from the plastic bag, rinse with cold water, and pat dry. You are now ready to set your display case or place thawed seafood covered with a single layer of plastic wrap back into refrigeration below 38 degrees Fahrenheit until ready to use. To quick thaw individually vacuum-packed frozen fillets, completely submerge the sealed frozen fillets under cold running water, not to exceed 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The fillets will thaw in about 10 minutes under running water. Immediately remove product from packaging material upon thawing. Vacuum-packed pouches prevent dehydration or freezer burn and are the most effective way to preserve quality. Vacuum packing is considered a form of reduced oxygen packaging. Many foods in reduced oxygen packaging can present a risk of growth and toxin formation if not handled correctly. This formation, Clostridium botulinum, a severe form of food poisoning, can be prevented by removing the packaging or partially cutting it open before or immediately after thawing. Proper thawing guarantees the consistent quality of products in your seafood counter and ensures that your customers get seafood that is safe, wholesome, and delicious.